Can you use FaceTime on iPad without iPhone? Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. If you are wondering if you can use FaceTime on iPad without iPhone, then the answer is yes, as FaceTime works with Apple ID and you will not need your phone number or your iPhone to use FaceTime on your iPad. All that you will ever need is the same Apple ID. So open settings on your iPhone or your iPad and then scroll down and tap on apps and then tap on the FaceTime option. Here, make sure the toggle button for FaceTime is toggled on and also make sure that you are signed in with the same Apple ID as of your iPhone. So, once you have made sure that you are signed in with the Apple ID from your iPhone, now under the You Can Be Reached at tab, go ahead and select the emails you want people to call you on. Your iPad will now receive FaceTime calls through your Apple ID email. Also, make sure that FaceTime can use your email as your contact ID and friends can call using your email instead of your phone number. Also, it is equally important to remember that your iPad is connected to a proper working internet connection, as Wi-Fi iPad just needs an internet connection, and a cellular iPad can use mobile data for FaceTime too. Also, make sure that you can still use FaceTime normally, but you cannot link your phone number to FaceTime unless you have a phone. So, this was about if you can use FaceTime on iPad without iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.